Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Frase for affiliate article planning and SRP answers, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Frase account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll access various tools. Select the document option to start a new project. In the document interface, enter your primary keyword related to your article. Click on Create Document. Allow Frase a moment to generate content suggestions based on your keyword. Review the outline that Frase creates for your topic. Identify sections where you can incorporate affiliate links or products. Use the SERP analysis feature to analyze the top-ranking articles. Focus on the questions and topics highlighted in the SERP results. Incorporate these insights into your content outline. Next, navigate to the Content tab to draft your article. Use the suggested headlines and ideas to flesh out your content. As you write, refer to the content scoring feature to optimize for SEO. Pay attention to keyword density and suggestions provided by Frase. Integrate your affiliate links naturally within the text. Ensure that each link adds value and relevance to your article. After drafting, utilize the Research tab for additional data. Check for statistics and facts to support your claims. Once satisfied with the content, run the final SEO analysis. Make any necessary adjustments based on the analysis results. Finally, export your finished article to your preferred format. You are now ready to publish your affiliate article with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.